Question 9. We have point A and point B are the turning points of graph of f below. And then point C is the y-intercept of f. So we are given point A, the coordinates of point A, the coordinates of point B, and then the coordinates of point C. So this is the graph of f with the turning point A, the turning point B, and the y-intercept C. So for which values of x is f decreasing? So when we look at this part of the graph is increasing. And also when we look at this part of the graph is increasing. So to answer this question, it means we are going to look at between point A and point B. So we focus on the x values. So we have 1 and then we have 5 divided by 2. So in the middle we have x, so it's 1 less than x, but x less than 5 divided by 2. That's where the graph is decreasing. We continue to 9.2, sorry. Write down the x-intercept of the first derivative of f. Yes, that's the first derivative of f. So we know that when we differentiate a cubic equation, we get a quadratic equation. This means the x-coordinates of the turning points of a cubic graph will become the x-intercept of a parabola function. So it means x at A will be the x-intercept of the first derivative of f of x. And then again, x is equal to x at B will be the second x-intercept of the first derivative of f of x, right? So this is the first x-intercept, and then we get the second x-intercept there. So now we move forward to 9.3. For which values of x will f be concave up? So with concavity, we have to work out the x-coordinate of point of inflection. So it's 1 plus 5 divided by 2. So if you have the x-coordinates of the turning points, you just add them and divide them by 2. So it means we are going to get what? 2 times 1 is 2, so it's 7 divided by 2, and then multiplied by 1 divided by 2, which is 7 divided by 4. So this is point of inflection. So it's going to be between the x-coordinates of the turning points, right? So if we have it here, it's 7 divided by 4, therefore this graph here is concave down, right? And then the graph there is concave up. The graph is concave up there. So it means x will be what? If we move from this point to the right, it means we use greater than 7 divided by, the point of inflection is 7 divided by 4. So we move to the last question. With the last question, we know that they say determine the value of k for which y is equal to f of x plus k will have 3 positive x-intercepts. For this one, guys, just move k from the right hand side to the left hand side, and then we get y minus k is equal to f of x. So we are going to concentrate on the y-coordinates of the turning points. So between 8 and 9, we have 8 as small value, and then we have 9 as a bigger value. In the middle, we write negative k, and then we use less than. So now divide by negative, we get what? We get negative 8 here, and then negative 9 as small value, and negative 8 as a big value. So in the middle, we have k. These signs will always point towards a small value, and then this is the answer to this one. For us to have 3 positive x-intercept, it means k must be between negative 9 and negative 8. Peace, guys.